Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a second phone number on Truecaller app. So a Truecaller app is where you can find out the identity of the caller on your that call your phone. So if the number is suggestively spam, it will block, or you can see the report on the number. So if you want to add it to have a second number added to the Truecaller, you can just open the Truecaller app first. So after you open it, just click on the your photo at the top left corner to see your profile. And in here, to add the second number, just click on this complete your profile button. And just like that, you can see this is the options to add a second phone number. So just click on the box, and then here you can just type in the number. Then you can click on this verify my number, and after that the Truecaller teams will send the code that you need to enter to verify your second number. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.